Hello, Jojo. If you could only smell through video. Our lovely Jojo got skunked today, and she lets the skunk completely unload until it's got no more skunk juice. Hopefully her lips don't chap this time. We're gonna go over to the rammed earth geothermal greenhouse. Got a little bit of progress. We've put in all of the kick plates for the first sections we're gonna do, and as well as I've got a whaler bar system put up here. So this wall is going to be 12 feet high, and we have some components we can go over. So the vertical piece here, the big long one, that's called a strong back, and then we've added in 2x4s for like a ladder to support each one of the other eye joists. So we've all used all eye joists here. They're really good for deflection, so they don't bend, so it's going to keep our wall nice and straight. So the ones on the horizontal are called whalers, verticals, strong backs, and then I will be attaching the plywood, form ply. Form ply will be attached to the whaler system, and it has a paper on it. So I did have this tarp, but it got a couple holes in it. It did wreck the paper on this side a little bit, but that's okay. I'll put this one below grade because the finished wall surface is going to shape to exactly what we have on the form ply. So the finished product is essentially only as good as the formwork. So one other thing I did is I messed up my layout. So the plywood is 4 foot by 8 foot, and it's going to be stacked horizontally. It's going to finish here, and it's going to end up in the center of this whaler. But I put my 2x4s on the wrong side of the line for this side, but when I do the section on this side, I've adjusted that so it will line up on my seams, and that'll probably make a little bit more sense here as we do the next step. Making some good progress. I guess to explain again, so this section of wall is just over 12 feet, and it's going to be completely enclosed with the formwork. There'll be steel inside, foam inside for a thermal break, as well as conduit for electrical. And then once it's filled with rammed earth and we take it off, that wall is completely finished. Can't wait to get going on it. We got all the equipment we need now, and Michelle's going to be running the skid steer, and I'm going to be doing the ramming. We got a name. It's called Misha in Action.
I'm gonna look like I'm helping, but I'm really not.
Yeah, you could help, bro.
Oh.
We got the level. So I went over how high this wall is. It's going to be 12 feet off the footing. But we're going to be loading the rammed earth from the bank side.
Yes.
Because you're going to be driving the skid steer, which we're going to do some training here shortly. So I'm going to do only 8 feet of form on this side because these are 4 by 8. So that gives us room to get the material into the form easier than trying to get it all the way up. So when I do the forming on the inside of the wall, it's going to go the full 12 feet. Deal?
Yeah. Whoa. Help. The best shot we got all day.
Spot up. No.
Okay, get the next one.
Yeah. Shade.
Fix the other two while you're over there. Don't be scared.
Why are we putting these slidey pieces in?
The slidey pieces are called whalers.
Whalers.
The horizontal slidey pieces, like a whale, or they speak whale.
Okay.
Because they're strong. That's not why they call it that. You spell it W-A-I-L-E-R, whaler.
Whaler.
That's like probably the only construction term that doesn't have a sexual innuendo.
Kidding.
Don't worry, we'll screw them.
Whoa. Okay.
Get off my whaler, man.
I'm standing on the whalers.
Come on, you're holding the show up here. We got one more
We
to go.
need to know what the whalers are for.
All right. Okay.
Sidetracked.
Whoa.
I did previously discuss this, so I
Okay.
don't want to be the guy that constantly repeats himself.
Okay.
But vertical, strong back.
Okay.
Okay? Like Brokeback Mountain strong. Take
It's a
that out.
weird reference.
Okay, so when we fill the form with the round earth
Yeah.
in here,
Yeah.
it wants to exert outward pressure.
Yeah.
So what all this whole assembly does is it stops it from moving out. It's containing it.
Okay.
And these are very strong. They won't deflect. I mean, they will. But when we're doing each lift, it's kind of each individual section,
Okay.
right? So all of this is to make it so that it doesn't, it makes our wall stay straight.
Makes it be a wall.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why you call it formwork. Here comes the thumbnail.
I got a bite from
Horsefly?
horsefly,
Ooh,
but I killed it right after.
it's glowing through the lens. Are you okay?
I hate those things.
Are you extra tough? Good thing you're a rural girl now. Okay?
Weed bucket.
You put your weed in it.
Weeds. Look, there's another horsefly.
Oh, he went up your shirt.
What?
Yeah, no, he's yeah. He seriously went up your sleeve. He's gone. On camera. Yeah, we got all that on camera. Sweet. Strip show. Who knew?
Jesus. Why do they like me so much?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Next time on the Thai Life.
What?
Why is JoJo pink?
Come here and you'll see. We're making sample blocks. Sample blocks for our round earth walls for our geothermal round earth greenhouse.